What if your perfect credit score cannot protect you now? Many banks are denying perfect applicants for secret reasons today. Your good credit score is not the whole story anymore. Banks now use hidden data from other companies in decisions. This hidden data is called secondary reporting by some experts. Secondary reporting means extra reports on your bill payment history. These reports come from utility companies and phone providers too. Landlords can report your rent payment record to special agencies. Your bank account history can also appear in separate reports. These invisible data points can override your perfect credit score. Perfect credit does not always guarantee approval for loans anymore. The bank computer system looks at more than your credit score. It checks extra reports from companies you may not know about. One negative mark in any extra report can cause a denial. You might pay all credit cards on time every single month, but a late utility bill from last year can still hurt you. Imagine you forgot to pay your phone bill for 1 month. The phone company reports this late payment to a special agency. Later, when you apply for a car loan, the bank sees it. Even your perfect credit score cannot hide this late payment mark. This is how invisible data points ruin perfect applications today. Many Americans face this problem without understanding the real cause. The main credit report is only one piece of the puzzle. Other companies collect data on your everyday payments and habits. These companies are called consumer reporting agencies by the government. You have the right to see most of these reports for free. The problem is, most people never think to check these reports. Banks and lenders have access to this extra information right now. Their internal algorithms weigh all this data when making decisions. A small issue in secondary reporting can block your loan approval. Rent payment history is one common type of secondary reporting. If your landlord reports late rent, it shows up in extra reports. Some services help report positive rent payments to build good history, but negative rental marks can stay and affect future applications. Utility companies like electric and water can report your payment record. A shutoff notice or late payment can appear as negative data. Phone and internet providers also share your bill payment information often. Even streaming services or gym memberships might report in some cases. The biggest hidden one is your bank account management history. Banks check a special report on how you handled past accounts. Past overdrafts or bounced checks can show up in this report. Past account closures by the bank for any reason can cause problems later. This bank history report is separate from your credit report completely. Many people with perfect credit get denied new bank accounts this way. The denial happens because the algorithm sees you as higher risk. It does not matter that your credit cards are all paid perfectly. The extra data tells a different story about your money habits. Secondary reporting use has grown a lot in recent years. More companies share data, and algorithms get smarter every single year. This is the secret loophole that overrides your standard credit metrics. You can have excellent payment history on credit cards for years, yet one old overdraft from 5 years ago can still appear. The bank sees the overdraft and questions your overall money habits. This happens even when your credit score is 800 or higher. Everyday bills like water and electricity now carry more weight. A single late payment on these bills can trigger an automatic denial. The computer does not care about your perfect credit card record. It only sees the negative mark from the other report. This is why so many good people face surprise denials in 2026. The system has changed, and most Americans have not noticed yet. You work hard to keep your credit score in great shape. You pay every credit card bill before the due date every month. You feel proud when you see that high score on the screen. Then you apply for a home or car and get turned down. The denial letter gives no clear reason for the decision. This leaves you confused and worried about your financial future. The real reason often hides in these secondary or extra reports. Now you know why perfect applicants are being denied more often. The good news is you can find and fix these hidden problems. You have the power to take back control starting today. First, you must understand exactly what data the banks are seeing. Your main credit report shows credit cards and loans only. The extra reports show rent, utilities, phone bills, and bank history. These extra reports are legal, but most people never check them. You can request your free credit reports for free every year. Get your free credit reports from the official site today. Look carefully for any mistakes or old items that are wrong. You can also request your free bank history report from the agency. The agency that tracks checking account behavior is easy to contact. Request that report online and review it for any old issues. Check for any rental reports if you have rented a home before. Some landlords report every payment, good or bad, to special companies. Look for any negative marks that do not belong to you. Mistakes happen often, and you have the right to fix them. Write a clear letter or use the online dispute form right away. Send proof that the information is wrong or outdated. The company must investigate and respond within 30 days usually. Keep copies of everything you send and receive during this process. Fix every error you find in all of your reports. This step alone can remove many hidden barriers to approval. Next, make sure every current bill is paid on time every month. Set up automatic payments for rent, utilities, phone, and all bills. Automatic payments protect you from simple forgetfulness or timing mistakes. Even one late payment can create a new negative mark. Pay every bill at least a few days before the due date. This builds positive payment history across all your extra reports. Ask your landlord or utility company if they report positive payments. Some companies will add your good payment record to the reports. Positive marks in secondary reporting can help offset any old negatives. Building this positive history takes time, but it is worth the effort. Keep your bank accounts in good standing with no overdrafts. Avoid applying for too many new accounts in a short time. Each new application can create more checks on your bank history. Monitor all your reports at least once every 12 months. Set a calendar reminder so you never forget to check them. Catching problems early makes them much easier to fix quickly. You can also use free credit monitoring tools for added peace. These tools alert you if something new appears on your reports. Stay organized with a simple folder for all your report copies. Good records help you dispute issues faster and with better proof. The bank algorithm combines your credit score with all extra data. It gives each piece of data a weight in the final decision. A clean credit score can be outweighed by one negative extra mark. This is why the denial feels so unfair and confusing sometimes. Understanding this helps you focus on the real areas that matter. You are not powerless against these internal bank computer systems. Every positive action you take improves your overall picture over time. The algorithms reward consistent good behavior across all payment types. Your goal is to show clean data in every report they check. This complete picture is what modern banks want to see now. Fixing these issues will help you get approved for better loans. You will qualify for lower interest rates on homes and cars. Your monthly payments will be smaller and easier to manage. You will feel more confident when you apply for any credit. Your perfect credit score will finally work the way it should. You'll stop worrying about surprise denials ruining your plans. Your family will benefit from your improved financial foundation. You can finally move forward with big goals like buying a home. This process gives you real control over your money future. Every small step you take adds up to big positive changes. Start today by requesting all your free reports in one sitting. Spend one evening reviewing every report line by line carefully. Make a simple list of any items that look incorrect or unfair. Dispute the wrong items online or by mail this same week. Follow up after 30 days if you have not received a response. Keep paying every bill on time while the disputes are processing. Set up autopay for all recurring bills to avoid any future issues. Contact your landlord about reporting your on-time rent payments. ask your utility and phone companies about positive payment reporting options. Review your bank accounts weekly to catch any small problems early. Avoid new credit applications until your reports are cleaned up. Focus on building positive marks in every area of secondary reporting. Celebrate each clean month of on-time payments across all bills. Track your progress by checking your reports again in 6 months. You will likely see old negative marks start to lose their impact. Your overall approval chances will improve with every positive month. This steady approach works better than trying to fix everything overnight. Patience and consistent action are your best tools in this process. You are building a stronger financial future one payment at a time. The results will show when you apply for your next big goal. Remember that many other Americans are dealing with the same issue. You are not alone, and you are taking smart action now. The banks changed their system, and now you are adapting to it. Your efforts will put you ahead of people who do nothing. You will have cleaner reports than most applicants in the future. This gives you a real advantage when competing for loan approvals. Your improved profile can lead to better loan terms and savings. Lower interest means more money stays in your pocket every month. That extra money can go toward your retirement or family goals. You are protecting your financial dreams by fixing these hidden issues. Every dispute you win removes one more barrier to your success. Every on-time payment adds one more positive mark to your record. Your future self will be very grateful for the work you do now. You can explain this process to friends and family who need help. Sharing this knowledge helps more people avoid surprise loan denials. You are becoming an expert on protecting your own credit profile. This knowledge is powerful, and it belongs to you from now on. Use it every time you apply for anything involving your finances. You now understand the full picture that banks are actually seeing. No more guessing why a perfect application suddenly gets denied. You have a clear plan, and you are already taking action. Keep going even when the process feels slow or frustrating. Every step forward brings you closer to your money goals. Your determination will pay off in better approvals and lower rates. You are taking back control from the invisible data points today. Your credit profile is becoming stronger and more complete every month. The banks will soon see the full, responsible picture you have built. You are ready for the home, car, or future you have planned. Start requesting your free reports right now and begin your journey. Your future self will thank you for fixing this problem right now.